Okay, so chain rule. It's thought of as a function in a function. Okay, so one textbook might write it like this: G of f of x, f prime of x equals derivative of the outside times the derivative of the inside. This is how a textbook might write it. They might also write it as dy dx equals dy du du dx. This is the more helpful version to us because this is closer to what we actually do. You do the outside and then the inside. Take the derivative of the outside and then the inside. Let's do a really easy example. F of x equals 2x plus 1 squared. We don't even need the chain rule to be able to do this, so let's do an easy one so we understand how to do it. You can take the derivative of the outside times the derivative of the inside. Outside and the inside. It's the basic. So I have y equals square root of x squared plus 4. And the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this. Right? So x squared plus 4 to the 1/2. I'm going to get rid of that square root and replace it with a 1/2. The rule is you take the derivative of the outside, so 1/2 x squared plus 4, and then it'll be 1/2 minus 1, so negative 1/2. Then we multiply it by the derivative of the inside, x squared plus 4, 2x. Okay? So that's the derivative by chain rule. So that is 2x over 2 root x squared plus, now just because of arithmetic, I happen to have a 2 over 2, so I can simplify that, but the calculus part is over. X squared plus 4. Okay, chain rule. Take the derivative of the outside and then the inside. Multiply it, right? But we will see we'll have to do chain rule with product rule and quotient rule in these problems. Okay, we'll have to do all of them in this homework.